6.75.
Instant. Absolutely instant.
G'day, Scott Clark here from Aeson Power. We're here today with Josh from Muscle and Custom in the Gympie area, north of Brisbane. Josh has just made a big move with his business, and I'd like to introduce you to him. Josh, what do you do with Muscle and Custom?
So Muscle and Custom encompasses a whole lot of different things. So I sell parts for barras, I do a lot of social media stuff, and I do some massive car events. So we're talking cruise nights, cars and coffee, all that sort of stuff. So a whole lot of stuff in the car community is basically what I do, a whole lot of different things.
So Josh, you've got this amazing 77 Trans Am. Tell us about it, mate. Where did it come from? What have you done to it?
So I actually picked this thing up off Marketplace, and it was a bit of a steal at the time. I think it was mislabeled, so I think I got a bit lucky there. But this thing is a matching numbers car. It is a real Trans Am. I actually found the build sheet under the back seat one day. So I know it's a real Trans Am and it's a matching numbers car, but this is definitely not the stock engine. We've done a fair bit of modifications. We've stroked it, we've put a big cam in it, intake, a big aluminium racing heads as well. This thing makes the power it should have from the factory now, and it sounds like it should too. $17.65 kilograms. $6.75.
Plus box.
12.57 volts. That's a real battery.
It's ready to go.
What the heck? Look at this. What? So we've just unboxed this battery and weighed it, and it weighs in at under 6.5 kilos, which just absolutely blows my mind. But that's not where the benefits stop. Do you want to give us a bit more of an overview of the benefits of this type of battery?
Yeah, sure, Josh. The battery itself will tell you everything you need to know. So what you can see on the sticker here is it says that it's recycling friendly. Why is that? Because it's salt, sodium salt, and it's got nickel and iron in it. So there's no toxic chemicals. It says it's no toxic chemicals. What can I charge it with? You can charge it with a normal charger. You can use a lead charger or a lithium charger. It doesn't matter. Sodium doesn't need all fancy stages. It just needs bulk. It'll get charged really, really fast. How fast? 5C. So it can be charged 25 times faster than a lead battery. The other great benefits of it are that it'll operate in minus 30 degrees Celsius. So if you're in the coldest place in Australia, it's going to work. It's also plus 80. So if you're running in the hottest place in Australia, it's still going to work. And you're not going to lose as much power as you do in a lead battery. Lead batteries drop off a lot when they get hot. So one of the great features for performance and street car community is going to be the 0 volts dead flat recovery. So if you have a vehicle that you don't drive every day and it's spend some time in the garage, while you're at work, you're going to come out for the Sunday drive, you're never going to be disappointed. It will start because it doesn't discharge by itself as self-discharge. It doesn't self-discharge as fast. And also, if it does get flattened, which is possible, you can put a charger on it and be up and running in minutes, not hours.
So these ones up the top are probably my favorite ones here. So it's maintenance free. There's nothing you need to add to it. Not like those old school lead acid batteries where you got to add distilled water and all that sort of stuff every now and then and top them up.
100%, 100%.
And I hear that there's no water or CO2. There's no actual liquid in there.
No liquid, it's completely dry. I mean, there's no chance of spilling. You can mount it any way you like, except for upside down. The terminals don't like that. But there's no toxic chemicals, nothing like that, like the old batteries used to have. No chance of spilling.
What about swelling? Are they going to swell like a lithium battery would?
No, they don't. So they are constructed similar to a lithium battery like you would have in a laptop. but they don't suffer from any of that high voltage, low voltage, high current, low current, high temperature, low temperature that lithium hates, and the reason why you have a BMS. So yeah, sodium doesn't have any of that stuff. Swelling's not going to be an issue for you.
So that helps. I think we might have to swap it around.
Yeah.
Let's see if this 6.5 kilo battery wants to start this big block engine. Let's do it.
Instant. Absolutely instant.
Perfect. I've never heard it start so fast.